and welcome guys to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to communicate without even talking. So let's get right into it. First of all, you need an app called Voice. So if you want to download this app, click on the link in the description and it's just going to download it. So let's just open it, the app. So as you can see, this app, you can choose languages and voices and servers. So there's so much you can choose from, and also voices. My personal voice is MLG voice Daniel UK. So yeah, and here you can type what you want. So let's just go lol you suck, and you have to spell this correct, and you're going to play it.
Lol you suck.
Yeah, like that. And then if you want to download it, just click on the download folder, and then that you're going to go off your editing app. I'm using Game Master as a editing app. It's a very good app actually. So the link will also be in the description if you want to download this app. So after you choose a background or a video, everything, you click on audio, and then you go on folders and Naruto's S voice, and click on the one you just click on the plus icon. So as you can see, you can, like, if you play,
Lol you suck.
and yeah, and hope you guys like this video. If you did, make sure you comment, like and subscribe, and we will be back on a new video.
I know when the